Yes, my people, good day. BMW life. You want to see another rabbit hole? Let me ask you one more time. You want to see a European rabbit hole, a BMW rabbit, a Bavarian rabbit hole? Check this out, check this out, check this out. We have an oil leak. Top nice boy. Oil filter housing gasket right here, right? So we're doing that. Oil filter. So we need to remove this. But to remove this, we need to remove the alternator. How difficult can that be? Shouldn't be too bad. So we have one bolt here, one bolt here. Well, the other two bolts are kind of, let me get a light. All right. What we have under here? Here we go now. Here we go. Top nice boy. We have one more bolt here and another bolt here. But in looking at it, I am realizing that, hold up. What's going on here, son? Try to take a, see if you can take a good look, right? See if you can take a good look, right? Right, man, it's hard to see. There's a bracket that sandwiches, man, I wonder if you can see. There's a bracket right there that sandwiches. So that bracket that I just pointed to, you have the alternator, then you have a bracket, and then you have the AC compressor. So you have the AC compressor, a bracket, the alternator. So to remove the alternator, we need to remove the AC compressor. But to remove the AC compressor, this pipe is in the way. It's not too difficult, but still, it doesn't just pop right out. This is in the way. Remove the upper radiator hose. I was just trying to tuck that out the way. AC lines, they are kind of bulky. So it looks like we may have to do an evac and recharge to be able to move this AC compressor out the way. Then we can get to the bolts so we can get a better look. There's one of the bolts right there. And then the other bolt back there tucked away, right? You see that? So we have AC compressor, bracket, then alternator. All that has to come out to be able to take this alternator out. So I don't even believe that it should be that difficult. Ah, boy. Let me go check what the labor time is on this thing. All right, let me check it out. Alternator, R&R alternator. 4 hours. And it is right on the top. You can see two of the bolts. Alternator, 4 hours. So I am not wrong. Let me see what them said the procedure is. Here we go. In order to remove the alternator, it's necessary to remove the air conditioning compressor. In so doing, you do not draw off air conditioner. Yeah, okay. Do not detach refrigerant lines. Okay. Do not remove air conditioning compressor. Instead, release from bracket only and place to one side. That's from the manufacturer. Let me tell you. The manufacturer tell you to put it one side. One side. What is that? Well, let me tell you. No, that's a rabbit hole right there. All right. Let's get to work. It will be on my YouTube channel, the full repair. Let's get to it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless you. And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.